Hello everyone, I'm Life Designer Biji Tushar, and today I have completed 326th workshop. And well, the workshop was on analytical thinking for a senior group of professionals from the at the RTI. So I realized that if you are a coach, if you are a trainer, and if you have to give the content in a way that the audience just goes gaga over it and actually implements it in the live session, then there are a few things that you need to do, which I did today. First and foremost, you need to put the intention very clear in your mind as to what is going to be the outcome of the training session. Of course, there are guidelines that could be given to you. But apart from that, if you set your intention that they are going to receive exactly the knowledge that they want pertaining to the topic that you have been given, and you're going to give your 200% to what you're doing, then I'm just telling you, it feels great to see the audience fully connected and implementing whatever you have taught them. This was the experience that I had today, and I would say that right from 2 p.m. till 5 p.m., none of the participants were sleeping, though it was post lunch session. They were not sleeping, they were not distracted. Everybody had come together and on their feet doing everything that was asked to them. That was the kind of team synergy that came out. And for a trainer to curate the entire event, right from the seating positions to the materials being handed out, to aligning the slides in a way that they do not get bored and they are able to ask questions, interact with you, and get the group synergy on a high. That is the deftness, or I would say the skill of a trainer. And if you can manage to learn that skill, believe me, every day when you are training people, you will start getting a high which cannot be equaled by anything else in this lifetime. I believe I'm really fortunate to be a trainer and to be imparting knowledge, um, which which is also laced with skills and attitudes necessary for a mindful and a conscious living. So, if you wish to be a trainer, coach, or a mentor, please note these things down. Intention, very important. Passion, part and parcel of it. Audience connection has to be there. Engaging the audience, interacting with the audience is what will give you the thrill and motivate you to give your 200%. And being there, mindful of what is going around and how you're aligning the things to suit each participant of your training become his or her best version. These are the things to be taken into account in training and imparting impactful trainings that leave a mark on people's lives. So, this is Life Designer Biji Tushar signing off for now, and stay tuned for more. Remember, I win when you win. God bless.